Let me show you how to take out the light switch. It's very easy. You're going to press in, turn to your right, and then you pull out. Now if it doesn't come out easily, then you're going to help it. Put your left hand underneath, grab it from the back, press in, twist to the right, and just push from the back, and it slides out. Don't force it, rather help it out if it doesn't come out by itself. This is how the mechanism works. It has two tabs, one on each side, and they keep it in place. So when you want to remove it, you have to go in with your switch, press it in, twist to your right, you see the tab disappears, it retracts inside, and so the whole switch can just slide out. These light switches have different connections at the rear. So to make sure you don't order a wrong one, it is best to remove the existing one to see what kind of connection it has before you buy a new one. If you buy online, make sure you see a picture of the rear of the switch. Now to install it again, we'll just do the reverse. So we'll twist to the right, push in, twist to the right so the tabs go in. We'll just insert the switch. And turn it back off again. And there you go. Switch has been installed and no tools needed.